Yeah, hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Cedisroom account, how to activate it, and how to actually make money from it. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. So first you have to open a browser, but I recommend you using Google Chrome. So let's open our Google Chrome browser. I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to use to register your account. So when you copy the link, you paste it in the address bar over here and then load it. So when the page is downloading, over here you can see that they've asked us of our full name. You have to enter your full name, your email address over here, your phone number, your gender, whether if you are male or female, you select it. You select your country, whether you are from Ghana, Nigeria or Zambia. Then after doing that thing, you come to your security details, which is your login details. This part and then the payment details, they are the most necessary part, which you have to be serious with. So over here you enter your username, which will be used later on to activate your account, and then your password that you use to log in into your account. And over here you select your SIM carrier, whether if you are using MTN or Vodafone or Airtel, you select. And then after selecting it, in the second field over here you enter your mobile money name, the name used to register your mobile money. If the name is in capital letters, you make sure that the name you will be written in this field over here will be in capital letters. If in small letters, you make sure that all over here will be written in small letters. So when you are done with that, and then the last field over here, you enter the mobile money number. You make sure the number you enter is correct. Then when you are done, you click on the register button. So when you click on the register button, you'll be redirected to the login page. So let's go back to the login page. Okay. Now over here you log in your account. And now you can see my account over here. My account is live, and after the registration you'll be given a 5 cedis bonus for registering with my link. Yeah, so if you forgot to register with my link, the referral field, you can write over there Quadga. I'll show it on the screen for you to see. So you'll be given a $5 bonus, a 5 Ghana cedis bonus. So all you have to do over here to make money is to go to the sidebar and then click on my account and click on today's news. So over here you see a lot of news that have been posted on the Cedisroom platform. So you just have to click on one. When it's downloading, then now over here you can see that the news have loaded. So you just have to scroll through and then move back to the bottom of the comment section. Then over here you type in any comment at all, but it shouldn't be an insult comment. If not, your account will be blocked from the system. So as you can see, after commenting you'll be given 10 pesos, and also after reading the article you'll be given 10 pesos, which is 20 pesos. Remember, our recent balance was 5 cedis 20 pesos. So if you go back to the account and check our balance again, it will now turn to 5 cedis 40 pesos. So that's how you do it. And then back to the referral part. The referral part, when you refer one person, you will be given a whopping amount of 20 cedi per a single person that use your link to register and then sign up. Yeah, so and the minimum withdrawal is 50 cedis, and they sent all withdrawals to all members on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, so That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.